This is the first offline conference organized by the Department of Civil Engineering in this institute. To welcome all our respected dignitaries, all eminent speakers, guests and all participants from different walks of life to share their knowledge and vast experience with the student community.
Civil engineering is a primitive engineering, but it starts and ends with civil engineering. When something has to be built and when something has to be demolished, in both the cases, civil engineering is the key person. Civil engineering is the key engineering practice. So, civil engineering basically will be immortal, never it will die. But the package of civil engineering, package means the type of civil engineering and formation of civil engineering and way of civil engineering, something is different. Now it is, because many tools have been discovered, many tools have been moderated, developed, and that has been used in civil engineering projects.
So sustainable development is a very, very difficult process, because whatever you do, there will be some remnant. The first law of thermodynamics has said something very, very important, that heat cannot be completely converted into work. And because there is a limitation by first law of thermodynamics, heat cannot be completely converted to work. Whatever you do, the thermodynamics puts a restriction and limitation on the kind of transfer, on the kind of transformation that takes place, and that puts the human beings in a very great difficulty. Nowadays, of course, civil engineering has come to a very, very different things, that fly ash, different other byproducts, plastics and many other things are being used as input raw materials for the preparation of roads, for making different structures and so many other things. The other day I saw that plastic waste have been converted into garden chairs in different countries.
As you know, that since we are talking about housing for all, we have to build so much of infrastructure. So as a civil engineer, we have a lot of responsibility for the society that we need to deliver. For any construction, you need materials, and the materials has to be we cannot keep on going to Mother Earth and keep on mining and creating all those pollutions. So we have to be more is smart enough to kind of reuse many of those materials as well. So that's the basic concept. Like sustainability actually means that you try to become zero waste as much as possible, not create any waste at the first place.
The sustainability, it is a term. It is not only for civil engineering, it is for all the branches of engineering. And the way I look at it, that you see, starting from fly ash, blast furnace slag, then demolition debris, there are many waste, and not only the waste from buildings or the civil engineering activities, it is also from other kind of activities in other branches of engineering.